What's up guys, I'm Jason again, and this video will be short because we just talked briefly about a Brazilian curiosity that emerged in Bahia, the famous Baian slang laile, which is an expression that people are using at the whole Brazil, but I will teach you to don't trivialize our buying expression. Okay, first I'd like to ask you, leave your like, comments, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Okay, could be a simple action to help YouTube hand over this video to more people. Okay, can I count you? Here we go. Wherever you go in Brazil, wherever you arrive in Brazil, the laile will be there. That is amazing, but should be used the laile anyways, guys. Please don't use the laile anyways. The laile is an expression like a counter blow to the masculinity that's being hit there, but nobody matters. Anything with a sexual connotation, the guy responded with laile in Bahia. But everybody in Brazil are using it for anything. For example, the guy says, I will go buy a bread. The guys respond laile. Are you crazy? Strong man. Damn, isn't like that. For example, the right way. If I ask you to somebody, why didn't you meet us yesterday? And he says, I couldn't. I was late for a class. My chicken your ass. Was here in Bahia, he said something like substitute class for classes, blocking any opportunity to lose the virginity of your ass. We feared flying dick because the Baian had this thing of don't going to get anything sexual because he's afraid of anyway getting a dick flying your ass off nowhere. I don't know what fear is this crazy masculinity of the guy making a rhyme with ass, or that is a dick in my ass. What did I do? Calm down, boy. Calm down. It's imaginary. Go find a psychologist, please. But now I will teach you the right way to use laile like Baian natives. Okay, let's imagine you are a cab driver and I arrive near you and say, do you mind if I go behind you? What do you say? Laile, fucking flying dick. There are another variation. The laile is laile lá, used for your physical integrity. For example, the guy telling a story of a crazy person who was shot 15 times, and he says, there was a guy on my street who was shot in 15 times here, laile lá. He points to his own body saying laile lá many times because he thinks that if he tells the story without using laile lá, the shot will hit him just because he's telling the story. It's crazy in Baian slang, but it's happening. If you'd like to know more slang like this, leave your comment below. Thanks guys, see you.